Now, to generate a QR code for your website, this is how you go about it. So from your Uzanga admin, go ahead and copy your website's link. Then open a new tab, then look for the QR code generator.com. Look for this website, okay? Then go ahead and paste your website there, okay? Then just like that, you will have a QR code. So you can go ahead and download it, whether as a PNG or an SVG, depending on the use case for your specific situation, right? Then you can go ahead and download it. And now, let's see. This will now be the QR code for your website. You can also use other tools. There are other tools for generating a QR code. Just look up generate QR code on Google and you'll find a bunch of tools. You can even use Canva. So that's how you generate a QR code for your website.